Let's supercharge your projects by crafting eye-catching animated text introductions in Adobe Animate. First, create a new project in Adobe Animate with your desired dimensions and frame rate. I'm using 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. Select the text tool and type your intro text onto the stage. Choose a font, size, and color that matches your project's aesthetic. Right-click on your text and select Break Apart twice. Now, right-click the text again and choose Distribute to Layers. This puts each letter on its own layer in the timeline, which is crucial for animating them individually. On your timeline, add keyframes further down the line at different points for each letter layer. These keyframes will mark the end of your animations. Return to the first keyframe of each letter layer now. Using the free transform tool, manipulate each letter. Scale them, rotate them, or position them off screen. This will create the starting point of your animations. Right-click in the space between the first and last keyframes on each letter layer. Select Create Classic Tween. This will animate the letters from their initial state to their final resting position. To refine the animation, use the graph editor to adjust the easing. Experiment with different easing styles to create the perfect feel. Something like a back ease-in or ease-out can add a lot of character. And that's it. You've created a dynamic text introduction that's sure to grab attention. Play around with different effects and techniques to make it truly unique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more animation tutorials.